welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm back with my brand new video. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. So I know Nykaa Pink Friday sale just went off a long ago, but yet I decided to film it. So let me share with you guys the reason why it just took me so long to film this video and upload this one. I just received this box after 2 weeks. Oh yeah, almost after 2 weeks of ordering. I don't know, only this parcel took this long to get delivered. I don't know why. So yes, this is the reason. And if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. So the first box I have from this haul is this cute little box from Nykaa Luxury Store, and inside this box I have so many stuff. I have this water-based sunscreen from Laneige, and I got so many freebies from Laneige. This Water Bank Hydro Essence, it's so cute. I haven't used it yet. The freebies, I haven't used it at all because I always try to save the freebies. I don't know, they just seem so cute. And this one is the Laneige Water Bank Gel Creme, and then I have this Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, cute. And then I have this sachets, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sachets. Tone Up Cream, Original, Ampoule Essence, Eye Sleeping Mask and Water Sleeping Mask. These are the stuffs I have. So let me talk about the Laneige Watery Sunscreen. I was like, I have to use it because I have received water sunscreen. I have bought a water based sunscreen, and it has SPF 50 plus. And it also contains 50 ml of product. And if I talk about the texture, then it's a bit sticky, but not so sticky when you apply it on your face. Only a bit sticky when you apply it on your face, and it will just, your skin will just absorb it and you won't feel the stickiness. Obviously it has a really nice soft white tint to it, and the smell is so amazing, man. So the next box I have from this haul is this Nykaa Luxury Store box, which is a really pretty box, and I have the favorite stuff inside this. Ta-da! So let me talk about the first product, which is a MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC35, which is a bit darker than my skin tone. And I always buy concealers which is a shade or maybe 2 shades darker than my skin tone, because it actually works really nicely for concealing. Oh my god, come out here. Yeah. Finally. So you just receive a really small little tub of the product, and you get, I don't know how much product you get. So talking about the product, it has SPF 35, so great, you can use it at daytime, great for daytime usage. And this is the shade. You guys can actually see how much dark it is for my skin tone, yet it will conceal my dark spots and dark circles in a really nice way. So I always buy concealers which are a shade darker than my skin tone. So the next product I bought, yes, actually I bought this, and I'll share with you guys the freebies as well, and I'm so amazed that I received those freebies. And next thing I bought is, wow, this amazing shade from MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Make It Fashion 986. Oh my god, I just love this shade. And let me show you the applicator. It's just so cute, right? And the shade is so amazing. Can you see it? How amazing it is. Oh my god, I love it. And the texture is powdery and soft, and you'll just feel so comfortable after wearing it. It's such a cutie pie. I just love the shade and the texture as well. Trim from MAC in the shade Pink Light, and I received a really cute small stuff which contains 6 ml of product. And yes, it's such a nice soft and light creamy texture. I love the cream so much, and it just gives you, it just blends and melts into your skin and gives you a really soft pink shiny effect, which is so amazing. I just love it so much that I have decided that I will buy the full sized product from MAC. I just love it. And then the next freebie I have from MAC is this amazing MAC highlighter in the shade Guilt of Shimmer. So it's the extra dimension skin finish powder. I love the shade, I love the texture, I love the color, I just love every freaking thing. Oh my god, look at the shine. And yes, this is it about this product. I just cannot say more. I love it. And you know, the MRP is for 3,500 and I received it for free. Can you imagine? Great, right? So let's just move on to the next box from Nykaa. And this is the L'Oreal Paris Life's Up Peach blush, and yes, I have used it. Oh my god, it broke. You guys have seen that I have used this blush in my last video. If you haven't seen, then do see it, go and watch it. This is a really nice soft peachy blush. It just broke my heart, yaar. I broke it, don't know how. So this is the blush, and the smell is so amazing, man, and I have used it today as well. You can just see the pigmentation and all. I just can't say more about this blush because it's just amazing. The pigmentation is a bit light, you just need to layer up a bit, but it's buildable, so it's just amazing for me. And the smell, I just love the smell. It has a really nice soft you know, that floral smell. I love it. So let's just move on to the next product, and the next product I have from this haul is Nicka K Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Gold Lava NRE22. It has a really nice texture and the color is also really nice. Ooh. But the only con that I have found is the brush is not that thin, it's a bit thick, so you cannot create a really sharp line on your lids. If you are just trying to create a cut crease, like dual cut crease, or maybe that's what we call that, I don't know, then people just create a really thin line that just looks so amazing. I don't think you would be able to create that thin wala line. I don't think you would be able to create that, so that's the con maybe for this one. But for an eyeshadow, it's a very big thumbs up. I just give it a very big fat thumbs up to it because the pigmentation is just amazing. You guys can see it, it's so amazing. So yes, big thumbs up for this. So let's just move on to the next product of this haul. So let's just talk about the next product of this haul, and the next product of this haul is this Aroma Magic Sunblock Lotion. I bought it and I had really like huge expectations from this product, but I am so disappointed. It says that it has SPF 30 and a broad spectrum UVA or UVB protects and mattifies. That's why I bought this. And let me just show you the texture. Just look at it. It just leaves your skin with a really bad white. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the texture. I don't know, I just hate it. Like literally I hate it. I don't know if I will be using it anymore. Like I'm very disappointed with this one. It just smells like multani mitti. Like, the smell is also not that good, and it just dries your skin to the next level, and it just leaves you with a really bad white stuff. So I just hate it. So the next product from this haul is what I have received inside this huge dabba or box. So it's the natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream from the Mom's Co. It has a really softy smell, like soft smell, and it claims that it reduces dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. I don't really have fine lines. I just have dark circles, a lot of dark circles, and puffiness, a bit of puffiness. So yes, this is it about this product. It has coffee oil, seed oil and avocado. Chia seed oil and avocado, vitamin B3, organic chamomile oil, and hyaluronic acid. Yeah, these are the stuffs it has, and it's for 474 rupees. And I don't know, I'll just mention the cost I paid for this. Just have a look to the product. This is it. It's a really tall stuff with an applicator, with a roll-on applicator. Actually, you just need to push this one and the product will just come out over here, and you just need to apply it with the help of this. Basically, you just need to blend it with the help of this roller and then apply nicely, or like make your skin absorb nicely with the help of your fingers. So yes, this is all about this product. I have been using it for maybe a week, and I really didn't see any difference. So just looking forward to see any difference. Yeah, this is it. So let's just move on to the next product. So the next products, not the product but product, I have this box from Mom's Co, and inside this I got this so cute box, and I ordered it for rupees 800 something. Just look at it. It just looks so good, right? So let me just introduce the products. The first stuff I have is the Mom's Co natural body butter. It claims that it smoothens itchy stretching skin, so great for winters. Let me show you the texture and color. I cannot really tell you the smell actually. And this is the color. It's a really nice soft yellow color, and the texture is also really creamy and balmy. Not balmy but creamy. So yes, this is all about this product. I haven't used it at all. I haven't used any stuff from this cute box at all, so I cannot really tell. So the next product I have is the natural damage repair shampoo. It has Ka plus hair system, keratin oil, moringa oil, and Moroccan argan oil. 25 ml. This product actually has 25 ml. It says that it gently cleanses and nourishes dry, damaged hair. My hair, it's just so damaged. So yes, this is the packaging, and this is how it looks. As I said that I haven't used any product from this dabba or box, cute box, so I cannot really tell you. And the next stuff I have is the damage repair conditioner with this shampoo. I got these two. And then I have a food cream. I was actually dying to have a food cream, and I received it. It just it says that, or it claims that it relief to swollen ankle and feet. It gives relief to swollen ankle and feet, which is great. Though I don't like get cracks or anything. It has argan oil, natural vitamin E, and peppermint essential oil. It's the natural foot cream from the Mom's Co. Love without compromise. That's what it says. So the next stuff is this cute little small bottle of hair straightening oil. Great. It has coconut. It controls hair fall and breakage with. I cannot see. They are just coffee oils, Bringraj Amla. Okay, it contains amla, bring oil, and coffee oil. This is it. It's tested to increase hair strength by 77%. Oh my god, it's just so great. Yeah, this is it about this product. And the next stuff I have is natural vita rich cream from Mom's Co with vitamin C, B3, B5, and hyaluronic acid, anti-pigmentation, even skin tone. For pigmentation and even uneven skin tone, it claims that it's going to work greatly. So this bottle contains 25 ml of product, and yes, this is it. So it was my mistake to say that it's the last product or last box, but no, how can I forget the product I received after such a huge long time? So let me share with you guys the stuff I received lately. So the next products are, oops, it's the Fit Me foundation in the shade 340, and it's the darkest shade I found on Nykaa. Next is Fit Me concealer in the shade 50. So basically I bought these two for my mom because she already had that Maybelline Fit Me 310 and it's just too light for her. She complained me, and so what I did, I bought this one to just mix it with that and balance the shade. So yes, she mixes a really small amount of this product to like get her perfect shade, and it really worked. So the last and final product I have from this haul is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. So I bought this for my mom because she has really black dark circles, and just to cover them up I bought this for her. So one trick that I always follow, and I made my mom to follow, that I always apply the concealer and do my brows or anything else, and I just let it set, and then I blend it with the help of my beauty blender, and I get more pigmentation out of it. So if you have a concealer which is like not that high coverage concealer, then definitely you can try this trick out. It will definitely work. And also one thing, I can actually use it to contour, to cream contour. So this shade is actually great. My mom also uses the shade 40 to balance her face shade, or just to highlight, not to highlight. The shade 40 actually matches her to an extent, so after concealing she uses that to just brighten up or just to match. So this is it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. So don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to comment on my video if you want to. Also if you want to share, then definitely share it with your friends and family and anyone you would love to share this video. So yes, let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.